not only are you tampering with the customer's food, risking food safety, you out here risking your own safety. Because I'm gonna tell you right now, if this would have been me, it would have been a whole nother scenario that would have happened.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We got a DoorDash driver who been caught on camera spitting in a customer's drink.
This is for my son, my 2-year-old son. Yeah. Why would you spit in my drink? Yeah. Why would you spit in my drink?
This is definitely a bad idea. We're gonna go ahead and check out this video first, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts and opinions on what I would have done and what I think you should do in the future. Before we get started, hit that like and that subscribe button.
He's spitting in my drink.
So sorry.
Why did you? This is for my son, my 2-year-old son.
Yeah.
Why would you spit in my drink?
So sorry, sir.
Why? Why? I want to know why you did it.
I don't
For
know.
what? We tipped you. What's the problem?
No problem.
So we got a idiot dasher here, guys. I mean, this man literally got caught on camera spitting in the customer's food. It just don't get no worse than that. Now, obviously, this guy is bottom tier intelligence, because why would you wait till you get all the way to the customer house?
He's spitting in my drink.
So sorry.
Why did you? This is for my son, my 2-year-old son.
Yeah.
Everybody in America damn near got a camera, and you're gonna do it in the middle of the street. I'm not saying it's something you should be doing at all, but if you're gonna do it, wow, you picked a hell of a spot to do it at. So this man has spit in the customer's food, removed the tamper-proof seal off the drink, and then replaced it and tried to complete delivery. My dude got his kids in the car with him, and he delivering to other people, kids, spitting in their drink. What a freaking scumbag. I'm gonna let you know right now, if this would have been me, I would not have had the patience that this customer had. I would have been running out there ready to fight, straight up. And at the least, when I got to questioning him, and then he talking about some, oh, I don't know why I did it. Oh, we about to find out why you did it. And it wouldn't have been no, you finna drink this. No, I would have been throwing that drink at the dasher. That's just me. But this dasher, I mean, he definitely should be deactivated for this. And that's the least that should happen. He really, I would not be surprised if the authorities was called and this man got arrested, because you can face some serious jail time for tampering with food. This man could have had diseases, anything, and now you have potentially spread that on to the customer. You don't know if this man got bloodborne illness. You don't know what's going on. And now every single delivery that this dasher has done is in question, because if you think that this is the first time, don't just wake up and have the gall to remove a tamper-proof seal in broad daylight, mind you, spit in the customer drink, replace the lid, and then deliver. You don't just wake up and do that. You have gotten your feet wet before tampering with customers' food. You probably done stole a couple fries here and there. You probably done, put your finger in some stuff like that. This man done did this before. I am sure of it, because this is the nastiest behavior I have ever seen when it comes to Ring doorbell camera. Let me know what y'all would have did in the comments below. If it would have been me, I probably would be sitting in jail right next to him, because I didn't beat him to a bloody pulp. I'm sitting up here trying to order something for my kids, and then on top of it, the customer like, what did you do this for? What is the reason for you spitting in the drink? This is for my 2-year-old son. This is what the customer said. Now I'm just imagining if that would have been my kids, the level of anger I would be feeling. Is no way I would have been calm and composed like this customer. Shout out to him for not ripping the DoorDash driver head off, for real. Because wouldn't no Ring doorbell camera or nothing else been able to save him. And that's just my opinion. So, what do you do to protect yourself from situations like this? Well, I don't know. They had the tamper-proof seal on the cup. The customer left a tip. Maybe they was too far away. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you think can be done to avoid a situation like this. Because I don't know what else the customer could have did. He tipped. It looked like it was a leave at door. It looked like the Dasher was getting ready to take a picture. I don't understand, but I would definitely be reporting this man, and I would be concerned if he ever delivered to me. I definitely would have my concerns. Make sure that you ordering from places that seal your food up. Make sure that there's some tamper-proof stickers or something so that if anybody like this Dasher right here happens to get your order, you will know immediately if something happened, just in case you don't have a Ring camera or automatic recording on your premises. You never know. You got to be careful out there. And all it takes is one time for somebody to get sick, somebody end up getting sent to the hospital for an infectious disease or anything like that. And it's a wrap. So make sure you're being careful out there. Let me know what you guys would have done in the comments below if a Dasher would have did something like this and put your child's food in jeopardy. Let me know what your reaction would have been and your course of action afterwards, because man, I tell you right now, seeing this right here definitely makes me second guess placing any order on a platform for food delivery, because it could be any driver out there doing things like this and you never know who it is. And DoorDash is so lax. We all know this on how they operate. They let any and everybody in. They let any and everybody in. And this is the result of that. Now, I know a lot of people might say, well, hey, Dasher, I don't want you delivering my food. And I hear you. I try to stay away from no-tip customers. You know, I'm liable to cuss a customer out. But I tell you what, though, I do not condone tampering with the customer's food in any way, shape, or form at all. And if you out there and you messing with customers' food, not only do you need to be deactivated, but you definitely need the cops called on you too. Don't nobody need to get sick over an idiot out there making dumb decisions. And that's how I feel. So thank you for watching this video with me. Thank you for chilling, letting me know how you feel, and I'll see you in the next one.